Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Here we are. Another day, another makeup look. I'm tired. I don't know why. I just is. You know, I thought filming in my makeup room / craft room would be better and it would be more organized. It's not. Just in case you were wondering. Anywho, let's put this primer on. Ugh. I didn't even go to bed late. I went to bed at well, actually, I stayed up until like 11:30. Sometimes my brain doesn't want to shut down, so I'll just kind of lay there and hope that I fall asleep eventually. It clearly didn't work yesterday. I have no control on that part. All of my makeup palettes are messy. All of them. Because my daughter gets into them. The Subculture palette. I don't think they have done another dark palette since this one. But I remember like there was a huge hubbub, right? Everybody was complaining about the fallout and it was a big deal in the makeup space. And to be honest, it's not even that bad, you know? So I'm just putting Mercury on my lash line. And then I'm gonna blend it out. Because it's work makeup, you know? You don't want to be like too much. Or maybe you do. Maybe you do. But I remember a couple years ago that I had practiced. Like I was practicing, you know, more colorful looks for work. But I think also, you know, if you have an office job and, you know, you're a little goth leaning, a little goth adjacent, you're like me, you know, you like a little darker look. So this is kind of, you know, filling that, helping adjust that void, I guess. Because I see like, you know, goth work clothes all the time. Or, you know, goth appropriate work clothes. Like, that's cool. But where's the makeup at, you know? Let me see some makeup. And I know I'm not the only person doing this kind of vibe. But I'm just like a regular dude. I'm not a dude. I don't know if it's like the angle, but like there's one spot that is just not cooperating. And now I'm gonna go into Rowdy, fluff it out, you know, using the end of your brush and fluff. And this one might be a little bit too dark. It's fine. You can fix it in post. And now I'm going into Lily, which is also mixed with Muse and Hope, because, you know, smushed up palette. Brows. Let's get these brows on. This is like trying out, which is a shame because I really like it. I actually really like this brow product. And here's where we decide on like foundation or no foundation. But I'm not going to do foundation today. I'm just going to put my concealer on. And we're just going to roll with it. But guess what? I have makeup on my blending finger. What a day, what a day, what a day. Wouldn't it be funny if, like, because I'm doing it so far, like, I can't see anything. Nothing. Can't see what I'm doing. But, like, wouldn't it be funny if, like, I went to go look at it later and it just looks like shit? Maybe I'm the only one who thinks that would be, like, hilarious, right? I don't know. But I think it would be freaking hilarious. Now for bronzer. Same old, same old. You know, it's not wrong to use something up. You know, you buy something, use it up. At least that's what I'm trying to do. I haven't purchased new makeup since I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I used a gift card to buy that palette. So I think in terms of like anti-consumption, I'm winning. I don't remember when I bought that. It was like quite some time ago. Maybe last year, like 2023, maybe. Could be sooner. Could have been like early 2024. Either way, I bought it a long time ago, and it still works. It's still serving its purpose. So, minus the fact that it's all busted, you know, I would like to use it more if it wasn't so busted. Busted. All right, lip product. I'm gonna try Oxor from Cheekbone Beauty. Wow, that's a nice pop. I like that. It's brown. I think it's supposed to be, because a lot of the lipstick colors are replacements for other colors. I can't figure out what this one's supposed to. This one might be a new color on its own, actually, because I don't recognize this from any of the lipstick colors, like the liquid lipsticks. But it's a nice brown. It's an intense brown. Anyway, it's a nice rich brown. The first time I tried it, I actually didn't really like it. But now that I'm like wearing it, I kind of like it. It's giving fall vibes. It's giving Goth adjacent vibes. I'm sorry for the dumb voice. Okay, yeah. So this is to a nice look. You know, simple blush. The eye makeup's a little darker, and the lipstick is brown, nice dark brown. I think it's suiting the vibe. It's really all matching together. You know what I didn't put on? Eyeliner. Because I was sitting here thinking about the eyeliner I wanted to use, and I never actually like committed to putting it on. which is very classic for me. Normally, I don't go for this eyeliner. This is the black one from Cheekbone Beauty. But, why the heck not? Can you see? You can see. Let me just angle this a little better. Not very good at winging things out anymore. Just old lady now. I lost those skills long ago. Honestly, it's a skill that like you have to keep in check. Like you have to constantly, you know, constantly work on it. And because, you know, I'm getting older. It's no big deal. I'm getting older. My eye shape is changing. Like I'm getting a little, you know, little changes here and there. And so as you know, age, you have to apply eyeliner differently if you wanted to wing it out. And I have not mastered the new skill because it's a newer skill. And that's okay. You know, makeup isn't about perfection. I mean, for some people it is, and that's okay. For me, it's more about the artistry and all the fun things that I can do when I put my face on. And believe me, it's fun. Look at me just wildly flailing my mascara everywhere. You can see it right there. She wild girl. I just deposited a huge chunk of mascara on my lashes. Like an idiot. And now we wait for that to dry. Get the... Mostly so that like I don't make myself laugh and I don't scrunch my eyes too hard. Because like that's my downfall. I think I'm so funny. I almost did it. I think I'm so funny that I always like ruin my mascara. Anyway, so now I'm just brushing through and separating the lashes. Okay. That's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, you know, watching me put on makeup. Maybe you put makeup on while watching me. Who knows? But I hope you enjoyed it regardless. And if you like the video, so like it. If you like me, subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you later. Bye. Ciao. Ka-ciao. Anyway, bye.